everyone, welcome to the Violin Adventures number 21. I want to give a quick shout out to all you subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. And someone asked if they could share the video. Yes, absolutely. Please share the video with all your friends and family. Now to get on with this episode, we're going to start with the violin that had the tiny little bass bar. Here you go. The volume has just gone way up. So we've got good volume, good response, and you can tell the violin is not used to playing in that kind of volume. So I'm going to play it a little bit more, and I think it's just going to keep getting better and better. So there it is. This one is finished, and off to the next one. Okay, you guys, it's late at night, and this violin has been bugging me because it's very responsive and has good volume, but I don't like the tone. So we have to fix that. So I'm going to adjust the sound post a little bit. Much better. Okay, let's see if it can play quietly. Let's see. Next up is the naughty old lathe and what we did about it. Okay, you guys, we solved the problem. a new lathe. Just listen to this. And that's on. Beautiful sound. I'm really happy. Let me show you up close. I can adjust the speed. And right now I'm roughing it out, so I'm doing it about that. And it can also reverse. And here's the off button. This is so much better. And here I'm getting a nice clean cut, whereas this was what I was getting before. This thing is really heavy. It's about 450 pounds. Guys, it is now roughed out, or it is now round and smooth, and now I can be creative. I don't have to worry about all the problems I was having. This is really nice and smooth. It's cutting good. Everything's great. So now I feel free to be creative and make this into a beautiful pillar for the harp. This week my niece Deborah was with me, and she loves to hike, so we went on a hike to Cumberland Falls. She took some real interesting video on the hike. See you in a second. Come jump in the car with us. So here we are driving south to Cumberland Falls. It is about an hour and a half drive from where we live. So we shortened this drive down to 45 seconds. We have now reached the Cumberland Falls State Park. We're taking in the views before we start on the hike.
this is the trail leading up to the Eagle's Fall. Now this trail is almost a 2-mile long trail, very interesting with beautiful scenery along the way. We have the river down below, and then up above lots of rocks and beautiful trees. There were many, many steps on this hike, but we enjoyed it immensely.
The cleft of the rock? Yeah.
and the Hebrew Minute.
Vayiru mema arav et Shem Hashem umi mitzrach shemesh et kavodo ki yavo kanahar tsar ruach Hashem nosa bo. Isaiah 59:19. And they shall fear or reverence from the west the name of Hashem, and from the rising of the sun his glory. For when the enemy shall come in like a flood, the Spirit of Hashem will cause him to flee or disappear. That's a great verse.
Thank you so much for all your thumbs up and your comments. I love to read them, and it also helps YouTube notice the video. Until next time, God bless you. Bye.